The purpose of this film series is to spotlight the positive aspects of the Jamaica we love so much. In most cases, we hear negative stories coming out of Jamaica, which has a direct impact on returning residents. This film series seeks to explore the natural ways people care and share on this beautiful island we call home. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in all the future episodes. Share with your friends, and when you do subscribe, hit the bell on YouTube so that you'll be notified for future episodes. Take care. Randy Pottinger.
Hard working Pinky. The man I work at honey bun. You do some washing before you go up on the work.
That's what me talk about.
The good life.
And the white them, you know, so you have to get them intact, you see.
Some of them know say, yo, real life for you. Washing brush. Scrub
You
it.
know the road.
Sure.
You ready, man.
And say up and thankful.
I'm thankful, you see me? Grateful for what we got, you see it?
Yeah.
So we have to do some, you don't know the whole already, you know.
Long time we are wash.
Mama give it the brush and the bath and say, wash them there, socks and brief, you get me?
Wash them then.
So you don't do we used to it.
Uniform, you have to wash your own uniform.
Yeah.
As well nowadays. Wash that. Especially when we come from school, I will see that spot. You can't make mama see that.
If you put that online, mama take it, put in the dirt, a different washing again.
Different washing again. I say, pet like that.
A real talk, what?
Yeah, man.
So today I just try to keep it real and done, you see me?
True. I like now when people can have 10 uniform. Back in the days when people have 1 and 2 uniform.
Yeah, one you have to work with.
Yeah, if you work with the one and make sure that shirt that wash every day.
Yeah.
Your pants wash every day.
That's a real man. Real meds man.
Not easy,
Don't me
easy.
jump up and say, you know, say, now wait till Saturday, which is the washing day.
Yeah.
Really did from now the Friday.
Right, which is right.
I take care and sit.
Right, man.
I'll sweat over the little bucket, yeah.
See you, good life, man, yeah. Yeah, we can't stop. How we gonna do it? You don't want them pile up.
Nobody nah do it.
Oh, you have to do that.
If you get somebody to do it, no, your money have to out, you get me?
Alright.
So we no cripple.
I'm not cripple. And them no nook.
Yeah,
You see me, we can't make
we
use.
not gone there so yet.
Our parents is teach you, you know. So we have to help ourselves, you know.
Yeah.
We can't always depend on woman to do everything.
What's that?
So them say you have to. Them day I roll through the scheme and pink and pass and see how wash. So you know,
Man.
people them see you already on the good life, so they have to continue to see you again,
Yeah.
you know, because you don't know.
They want to tell me, say them see me on it, you know, so I want more this again.
Alright, that's what I say. So this is how we do it.
In Seaview, you know?
In Seaview. Yeah, Pinky, so you know we have to continue to try, you know.
Yeah, man, just go and hear the time, brother, you don't know it, go.
Yeah.
Jamaica, good life.
Alright,
See it?
see it.
Pinky over the bucket, you don't know it, go the bath under the pipe.
Yeah.
Which is right.
It's right. Alright. Good life. Look a bit.
Don't know.
Hot feet.
So you know the thing, though?
Yeah.
Well, you don't know it's another Friday, man. Again, I would out and do the thing like always. And right now, I'm an Empress there. So, you have to tell them your name one go.
Empress.
Now you can do that.
Hot feet, say my name Empress. The Empress, introduce yourself. So Empress, that mean hot feet wife?
Well, I'm Shernette.
Shernette.
Living in Seaview Garden, otherwise known as Mummy. Everyone know me as Mummy. So more while they will call me and say, people hear them and say Mummy, and they might say, your mother, me and say, no, this is my nickname.
Yeah.
This name coming from in my house. I don't know how I get that name, but that's my yard name, Mummy.
So you're growing up here, them call you Mummy?
Yes.
So imagine you're a Mummy from your young.
From me young, me a Mummy.
Okay. So Mummy, what you have in the morning you're going with?
Well, we have some fish we're going to deal with right now.
Yeah. I fry them up.
Yeah.
I fry fish in the morning, yeah.
And we're going to do some pumpkin soup.
Pumpkin soup?
Yeah, some pumpkin soup and stuff.
Alright.
Today here I'm cooking now. Today I cook it. I come from my mother, Miss Ruth. This is my joy.
Yeah, cooking.
Yeah.
Hot feet. Because I swear hot feet it rub off from and come from you, but she born with it to hot feet.
Have it.
Hot feet. Hot feet, you know you alone have it, she have it. No joke, hot feet, she have it. So people say hot feet on the corner.
Yeah, man, just sponsor and look and watch we are cook.
And him are the cook. And me are the cook.
She are the cook, him are the chef.
Yeah, man. We don't like to use the word chef still. We just cook.
Does cook?
Yeah.
Alright then, so right now we'll clarify that part then.
Yeah, we just cook. We don't use the word chef because it's
Yes,
chef thing now. I call it a culinary. Crafting and them stuff. Yeah, when we do the craft, we just cook from natural, yeah.
Yeah. From the art.
Yeah. Creative and come up with our ideas.
Yeah.
So chef the culinary stuff. Designing and all those stuff. So we don't really do them stuff here.
So me a chef till, me a creative chef. Because when me a cook, me creative. You see? My mother can't tell you, me a creative. Anybody who know me create when me a cook. Because me a vegetarian, oh. Me create this with that, man.
Yeah, man, we create things as well. Create so we can create.
And from the art, me a create.
Yeah, but we don't call ourselves chef. We just say we are cook.
Cook straight.
Yeah, man.
So always a cook. But it's a good couple, you know. It's a cook couple. And that's a good couple. Ever cook.
And me are the real cook still, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I say hot feet now, so nothing around there, so. I think face around there, so. Yeah, the real.
I know them say each one teach one.
Yeah.
So if you teach me something, me teach him something, and that's
Yeah. Each one.
Oh, buck me out over the camera.
Each one, teach one. Hot feet. I don't know nothing. You see me? Remember some music, you know, I see him art.
See there? Now I say, and she show me to make the door. Right now, I make it better than I. That door there. See there? The festival.
Oh, she show me make
Yes,
this?
she show me. Because I remember so she's like a school fees. You me the dance school now, but I don't go for no certificate.
Yeah.
You see me, I do it at school in a vacation, but I don't go for I never did further than that. And music, I did really take on. More in the street, but I always do this. 1 year after me out school, I open the business. You know the thing.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
So now I know a mummy, are a professional cook, are a real cook. You're a real cook too, you know, but she the teacher cook your hot feed.
She got school fees.
She got school fees.
Go school for it, but we have it in me. And I like to go to school for know for cook.
Me do it.
Me have rules, yeah. And everybody know Miss Rose, she usually the crab and stuff. And so my sister follow the tradition and just cooking just in a way, because me I cook from a tender age. Me I cook from me around 11 years old.
Wow.
Normally tell people that and them say, I'm 11, yeah, long time.
Long time you cook.
Yeah man, so it just in a me just ever, if me not cook, me not feel good.
Yeah.
I feel cook.
True. Because you know food alive, you know, so you have to eat. So it seems like your hot feet are the same cooking melody. Because the two of us sing the same song, cooking.
Yeah.
Always a cook. One feet hot, and you see the hot hand, you know, and the hot fingers. Mom in the kitchen. Mom in the kitchen today. See hot feet on the backstage. So, Mom there steam up some fish today.
Boil up some ground food to start tease up the soup now.
The soup. The hot feet step aside now. Mommy there now. Well, hot feet, mommy look like she bothered there, man. One of them cutting style I never see.
And she responds to that. That button. Whenever they tell her.
No.
I know my button. I know my response to that button.
Nah. We I tell you.
Make a good life. The right life.
Right life.
Yeah.
Blessed life. One life, fuck yeah. Have a good life, morning.
See it.
I'll go, I'm a general.
They am general.
Introduce yourself. I am born and grow you boy, you know.
Yeah, but I know you pop pretty man from Seaview, John.
There I see you here. Seaview, that good life. Oh, that. I like breakdown. They're on the work.
No, see ya.
I want to go on.
Good life. You know how he said good life. Good life. Everything I do, I eat food, bro. You understand? Yeah. Real out here. For the car, I link up the dog. Yeah. Inside now.
So I want to be there now.
You know what it's a shop. Wholesale. Yeah. Variety of things. They get enough things.
What, grocery and them little things there?
Grocery. Ear things. Everything.
Money we all look. Time change now. Back in the days that youth them a work.
Out there.
Yeah man,
No crime, but a straight work.
Yeah.
Elevation.
See if you there, real good life. Be real hustler to say way. You look at business, but you don't know upliftment we are dealing right now.
See you where?
Shop on them something there.
See you
Business
where?
to make money.
Yeah.
I can't not go nowhere, no brother. I'm not going nowhere. Just money and better life. Set the real way. Never see my thing.
Yeah.
Close accessory and them something they said way.
Yeah.
Get me?
So we also in the community?
Yeah man, the community said we man do things man.
Yeah, the close man.
Yeah, we are the close man. This for the girls them, pretty and them something they bling, sweet, get them sweet and snap it. Yeah. Really risky boss.
Risky boss.
Okay, but right now we are in friend. The same little building said we can have a good life from here dealing now.
Yeah.
Real and proper way.
So you're still live on the hustle same way.
Said we and do some said way. Because life have a better said way.
You see me?
They are fight, real way.
Sure.
Good way, good life.
In the Jamaica, good life. So we are going to circle the people then. In the good life, Jamaica, good life. Up the road we are going. Up the road. In the kitchen.
Yeah, no, really.
Oh, you fry something for yourself? Selfishly? And that's how we live in the good life here. There. Where you fry?
Festival at Sprat.
Just for yourself, the selfish sheep?
Yes.
Yeah, I would not live so. You the good life. You the good life.
Yeah.
Introduce yourself to the good life.
Friday evening, I would have planned to look something to eat, so with the power ends, I go and kick back.
Alright.
Yeah.
I was there in a Seaview, same way.
Same way.
I was there up at Nadine Black.
Outer bus stop, HQ.
Alright, bus stop HQ.
Yeah.
Right across from Seaview, next bus as well to always on it. I would have gritty.
And then so the man a good bleaching cream cup. 6 move out of the way, 6.
For 6 there, 6. Look, for 6 yeah. 6 in a good life, they can't take him out, you know.
Yeah.
You see a pot? Yeah, she said a pot of bun up. You really a bun up little food dumpling for yourself.
Yeah, I tell you.
We are going from the headquarters.
Yeah.
So you really a Friday for yourself, you're not sure for your friend.
Then them I forget. Who eat too much?
There's a regular vibes on a Friday.
Yeah.
I must go and chill.
And look a bit from.
Yes, see the man go beer and fresh up. And back again for the next mission.
Hustling, money
Hustling. So you just come So you see the man just come off of the carpenter road. Beer and fresh. And back for the next mission again.
The English shoes.
So yeah, I'm going to show them what I go on in a Seaview.
Yeah.
Tell them which part you're there. Which part of spot you're there?
David Hotspot.
In Seaview.
In front of Caribbean Sea Drive. In Seaview, God.
Caribbean Sea Drive. Our suits.
English suit, original suit them have to wear straight from England to the pound sign. Where the next sign them?
There. Show them the pound sign.
Show them the sign them, cause no joke. We ain't joking. Peter.
You see the pound sign?
Yeah, pound, 24.
No.
Pound.
No joke.
And them sitting here, pound. Shut the grass. Vest and them something.
So if you get the chance, I'd love to improve your business.
Yeah, real way. Get
way.
a real help. Can finance it real way. You get a bigger even a container itself.
Yeah.
Bigger the thing. Working on towards it still.
Yeah. Because a long time you say I believe.
Yeah. A couple of years well now.
Yeah. So you have men's wear, woman wear, kids wear.
Woman wear, kids wear, every name it.
Yeah, man, so
You gotta see it.
yeah man, take them all there so them
Gotta
can
see
see
them
it.
right.
And a good
Let
life.
them see it. A good life, you know, so you have to show them the good things for the good life.
Yeah.
Real good life.
And I see you girl there.
Cheers.
Cheers. Things are out now.
Underpants, woman blouse, marina, kerchief, baby socks, baby underpants, blouse said way, rag again, seater. We got everything for the ladies there.
Everything. Where for
All
the ladies
for
them?
All for the man there. We got everything.
Put up something for the ladies, make them see.
Let
Let me see that blouse there, yeah. Right, name?
yeah.
See it there. Good life. In a Seaview.
Real good life.
In a Seaview, in a nitty-gritty.
Yeah.
Show them something else now we have.
Pocket full of love. I got it for them. Pocket full of love.
Alright, see it there.
Real.
Real.
Yeah, that. See it along to a purse, H&M. Cause I'm not going
Sure.
foreign goods too, you know, my friend. Yeah, good
H&M.
things. Good things for the good life in a real life.
In a real life.
Alright. Yeah, Mama, I asked to appear to Mama. Where I do not sure you get all. Have things for her too.
Yeah.
Real.
Mama,
Now listen, Mama, 7 bills me get this for. Plus them,
yeah.
500.
500.
Yeah.
And
9, 6.
600.
Yeah. This now all a grand, cause I don't know the suit. All in a suit for the ladies them.
Yeah.
The party ladies them, party girl and the hotness them.
Oh, that one they're nice too, you know.
Yeah, real. Chop up back and basic.
Yeah.
In a life, cause you don't know the good life.
Good life.
So you have to have good things for the good life.
Yeah, so
In
you
a
have to
real
show
life.
them. You have to
Yeah.
show them.
In a real life, Mama.
Show them again. What you have?
Half more. See them have 2 minutes for the see them a battery rider, American battery rider.
Yeah.
Them too.
The American battery rider.
Fix them.
Definitely.
Yeah, that. You are safe for the Good Life.
Yeah.
You go for YouTube, the Good Life production.
Yeah, Good Life production.
Yeah.
Broke him ducks for the Good Life. Something.
You buy you buy marina already? Smell them. 1 billion. Let's see this 1 billion. Ready for me? See a red one there. You buy the blue to that man, see the red here, man.
I'm buy one red already, you know.
The red there big jeans that man. You want skinny fit like this. You see that one that fit good for you. You see the picture you show me how they fit good for you. Skinny jeans. Skinny jeans, them you really not taking or nothing to that. You see me? Real original skinny jeans. Yeah, dog, skinny jeans, they're not joke, skinny fit.
It's all over.
They're in a good life. Jungle is like a
real good life. Out here, real. Out here.
Getting our support.
They're on the juggling, on the support. The first booster I got right now.
Yeah.
Fight the struggle. We're not give up out here. Not time.
Not time.
Tell them that.
Never fight.
Never lying.
So the ducks finally got broke right now.
Yeah, dog.
See it there from morning.
Yeah, dog.
Because from morning my work as well, you know. Carpentry. I know him there on this now.
Look it hard. Needy.
Real life. My support, support the cars.
This car support me.
Really?
Give loyalty where loyalty come from, you know.
Sure.
Jamaica have the good girl and have the good life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
With the real dog them who have the real life. Real recognized.
Good life, good money.
Yeah.
Good things, good video. Yeah, dog.
Good youth.
Yeah.
Yeah, and respect for the support.
Give thanks for the support again, brother.
Support always.
Always. In a good life.
Big up the video, man. Big up.
Yes,
Big up the team here at the back.
Yeah.
Good life, Freddy. Now we are coming.
Alright, see good life, General.
Good life. See them at dark.
See the next General in that place, yeah.
Buy something here.
Introduce yourself to the Good Life program.
Alright. Good Life program.
Yeah, Jamaica, Good Life.
It's a deal. From Nitty Gritty.
Foundation.
Yes.
Original.
I'm one of the original man down there. When you come down there was no light, no water. And we will link together as one body of people down here. People give us bad name down here, but yeah, we put the negative, I would dig it towards the positive now.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Yeah.
So we differences.
Yeah.
Right? So regardless what happened, we are good people. We are good people in Seaview. People paint us with a bad paint, but yeah, we're living above the bad paint.
Yeah. Yes. Above and beyond.
Yes. So we just put everything behind it and move on forward.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's it.
That's it. We didn't fuss. We don't matter who used to fuss and fight. We leave those things behind us and we move on.
Yeah.
And living as our called to God wants us to live. And that is the key, and that settles the whole problem. And I'll tell all the young guys them down here and the young ladies them, try and live like how the hell else them live. And that's it.
That's it.
Alright?
Life.
Jamaica, good life. Anywhere you're there, you can come to Jamaica. We are a body of people that we love people, we care for people, and that's it. Come down here and spend some time at Seaview Garden, and you find the quality people you will live most.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's it.
If you're new to the channel, you have to click on Season 1 playlist. It's a must. Then, after you're done with that, it says 172 videos here. So in Season 2, we really have 172 videos. Find the playlist. Now, what you should do is talk to your family members and say, hey, show me how to get to the playlist. And you click on this same white icon, and then what you do is just click on the playlist. So if I wanted to play Patrick stuff, I would enter here. Always come down and hit the playlist to select the episode you want.